I had a plan, a full studio shoot lined up, lights, camera, everything in place. Except it didn't happen. Things fell through. And just like that, I was left with nothing to shoot and no motivation to create. I sat there for long, questioning everything. You ever have those days where you want to create but nothing inside feels like it? But then, a random thought popped in. You love cars, right? You love watching car videos. So why not go film one? No pressure, no expectation. Just grab the camera and see what happens. Let's go shoot. It was a quiet Saturday afternoon. I grabbed my GoPro, my camera, and sat by the roadside. No set, just stomach and time. I watched, I waited, I clicked. One car at a time. And with every shutter click, I felt a little more alive. It wasn't about perfection. It was about being present. About doing. Later that evening, I chased the light, hoping for a sunset shot of my car. But there was no golden hour, just soft, moody tones. And you know what? That was enough. Sometimes you don't need magic light, you just need to see what's already there. The next day, the spark was still burning, so I went out again, this time to Kilimani. Street cars, reflections, angles. Just me and the camera. Moving with the rhythm of the city. No plan, just passion. Listen, not every day will be perfect. You will feel stuck, uninspired. But that camera you own, it's not just a tool. It's a compass. It leads you forward one frame at a time. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Don't wait for motivation. Go out, shoot, create. Because when you do, you will remember why you started. This is how I found my spark again. Maybe you will too.